Number 5. Vastar Soldering Iron Kit. This is one of the most reasonable choices available, however accompanies the devices and highlights you'd anticipate from a more costly model. The steel pip configuration allows for better warmth dissemination and the flexible handle lets you calibrate the instrument's temperature. This minimal model warms up quick and offers a temperature scope of 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 842 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing it to deal with a wide assortment of assignments effortlessly. Number 4. Hakko FX888D23BY Digital Soldering Station. The Hakko FX888D soldering station is a great option that's ideal for a variety of soldering projects. Designed as an update to the FX888, features a CHP170 cutter and adjustable temperature control. With excellent thermal recovery and compatibility with T18 tips, it allows you to work at lower temperatures, reducing the thermal impact placed on your workpiece. Number 3. Xtronic Model Number 3020 XTS Digital Display Soldering Iron Station. This soldering iron from Xtronic is ideal for anybody keen on buying a great model that can deal with an assortment of undertakings. This soldering station is smooth and solid. It includes a brilliant blue LED tube display that allows you to switch among centigrade and Fahrenheit readings with the flip of a switch. Number 2. Tabagher 60W 110 volts Adjustable Temperature Welding Soldering Iron. This soldering iron kit from Tabagher is perfect for DIY enthusiasts, beginning soldiers, and hobbyists. It's easy to hold and the sturdy steel pipe design offers better heat dissipation for faster heat-up times and optimum efficiency. The Tabagher soldering iron takes around 2 minutes to heat up. This has a solid temperature range from 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 842 degrees Fahrenheit. WLC 140 watts soldering iron station is an overall extraordinary apparatus regarding cost and quality. It can create and hold up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit temperatures. So it's ready to deal with a wide assortment of tasks that require high tip temperature. The Weller ST3 affirmed copper tip is significant to keeping the temperature steady and reliable. The handle is padded with froth, making it entirely agreeable to use.